Hello everybody and welcome to another day. Today I'm going to show you how you can upload a video to YouTube. It's a very straightforward process, very simple. They've made it so that literally 6-year-olds can do it. But I want to make sure that everybody understands how to do it because there is a small learning process. So the first thing you need to do is log into your Google account. You'll notice I'm already logged in. Heck, I'm logged in 3 times. But go ahead and log into your Google account and then go to youtube.com. Once you get there, click on your face in the top right, or if you don't have a face, it'll just be something like this little orange person if you haven't set it up, or it might be a different color. And then click on Creator Studio. Once you do, you'll get a dashboard that looks something like this. Your videos that you've uploaded will be right here if you've created any. If not, you'll have some by the time this class is over. But what we're interested in is up here in the top right where it says Upload. So if you click on that little arrow coming out of a line, you'll get another page that looks like this. It says select files to upload, and there's 2 ways you can do it. You can click and it will give you a little pop-up that says, hey, find your file, and I can just go to my desktop and then find my YouTube live tutorial right there and hit open. Or my preferred method, just because I'm lazy, is to just drag and drop it in there. Either way, whenever you're done, you'll see that it's uploading here and it will be uploading in the background. Make sure that you keep this window open. Do not close this page until it's done uploading. Depending on the speed of your internet connection, this can take, and the size of your video as well is a large factor, this can take a couple minutes. I've had it take an hour. So just keep it open until it's done uploading. Once it gets done uploading, it'll start processing. You can close it after that because YouTube already has the file and they're processing it and creating the page for it. But you need to make sure that it's still here when you're uploading. So you go ahead and give it a title, whatever the title is. See, now it's processing. Whatever the title is you want to give it, it'll default to the name of the file that you have uploaded, but you can name it whatever you want. YouTube Live Tutorial for EDCIT 560, whatever. Give it a description. Here's my description. Then you can give it tags. I have mine defaulted to different tags. This video was rejected. You shouldn't see this. It was rejected simply because I've already posted this video and I just did it the other day and it's still processing, so it's that this is not an error you will see. I've only seen this one more time in my life, and it is because I uploaded the same video twice very shortly, one after the other. So you won't see this error. But anyway, down here with the tags, you don't need to tag anything for this class, but you can if you want. These are my default tags that whenever I upload something, it sticks these tags on it because everything I do has to do something like this. But right now, I don't want them, so I'm just going to hit the X to get rid of them because I'm not trying to make this video discoverable by anybody because I don't really care if anybody looks at it outside of y'all, the class. You can pick a thumbnail for the video, or you can upload a custom one. Over here on the right, this is the important part. Public means that it will be published for the public. Anyone who follows you on YouTube will see it. Anybody who searches for you might see it. Unlisted means that it's there and anybody can view it, but only if they have that specific link. That's the one that I generally recommend unless you're trying to develop a YouTube following, and if you are, God help you. But that's what we're going to use in this class. I would highly recommend. You can use either one, but I highly recommend unlisted. Do not use private. Private means that only you and the people that you specifically share it with can view it. Don't use private because then your classmates and I cannot see it. Unlisted is the way to go. And once you're done, you just hit done, and then your video will be live wherever that link is. You can also see it by clicking on here and going back to Creator Studio. It'll be right there. So you'll see that they're both there. Even though it gave me an error, it actually looks like it actually did post it. So I've got these 2 videos are the exact same thing, and I'm going to delete them both in just a minute. But it's there, and if you click on the text right here, it'll take you to. Oh, there's a duplicate. Yep. So it did error out. So if you click on the text, it'll take you to the video editing panel where you can change all those things you just set. Translations, advanced settings. By the way, for this class, I highly recommend you do not allow comments because the internet is full of very rude people. You can if you want, but leave. I don't care. But if you click on the picture, the thumbnail, it'll take you to the actual video page. So that's how you upload videos to YouTube. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be happy to help. Thanks.